So, in this video, we fit these windows.
So, if you want to watch us chop some holes in our van, before you chop holes in your van, watch the rest of the video and you'll see how we do it.
The seals come that never came with it originally, so I'm going to cut them out, put the seals on, bond them all in. Jobs are good.
Yeah.
Sounds really easy.
Sounds really easy.
But Caleb says he's done hundreds of them. So
what we're going to do is we're going to start with sliding door. So you can buy a sliding door.
Yeah.
And then we'll work out whether we did it right or not. And repeat it on the other side if it's fine.
It's fine for the welder.
Yeah.
Before else fails. So as you can see, basic idea is we're going to cut out the rim and then push it out and put the new window in. As easy as that.
Yeah, once we tidy all edges up.
Yeah. Stuck. Hello there!
Hello!
Right, so that's the hole cut, ready for window. We're going to clean up the edges, put a bit of primer on them just so it stops it from rusting in future. And yeah, get window in. I'm quite happy how it's turned out. I've never done it, I'm quite happy how it's turned out. Yeah. Huh?
Stop making me laugh out.
Mate, you're just peppering us all. Honestly, I feel like taking cover. So what we've discovered is, as I'm cutting it, it's dropped down a bit. We're cutting the inside of the van, so it's taking twice as long, and it's just killing it. So we're going to try and cut it from inside. We've cut up corners, and hopefully we'll cut it from inside, so it doesn't matter if inside gets damaged. Oops.
Definitely going to need a bit of finessing.
Yeah, it is.
Does not enjoy that.
That just snapped.
Yeah, nice help.
And I don't know what
The hand snapped, it's just come out.
When did this come out? I've been gone for 2 minutes. What have you two done?
Took it out.
Well, we're meant to be filming it. Can you put it back in so we can film it?
Cameraman weren't here. Cameraman were distracted again.
Busy man. I am a busy man.
It's a common thing, to be honest.
Why are you mad?
That's the cameraman and no one's meant to film.
Listen, I'm not cameraman. I'd have to grab the camera because you don't do it. Obviously, look.
Because we're busy.
Oh yeah.
Things have to get done as well.
Right, so all we're doing is adding a bit of paint, just on bare metal, just to cover it really.
Real cool that.
Right, so what we've done now is put the rubber seals on around the outside and then primed it for the glass to go in. We've primed the glass as well. Then we just need to put the sealer on. Put the sealer on and get it on the van.
Right everyone, thanks for watching. Windows are all fitted. So in the morning we're going to leave this overnight to set. We'll pull all tape off and we'll get some nice videos of it all done.